Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Cars and Coffee at the San Francisco Sports Cars. I'm here with Roberto. How you doing, Roberto?
Good, and you?
Awesome. So, let's say, how long have you been a member of the club? Do you remember when you joined?
Probably, I want to say like a year.
Basically a year, so
Yeah.
a newbie.
Yeah, newbie.
So
yeah.
what brought you to the club? All right,
This
so
car.
basically right behind us, right? So an E30. And if you know Senna 3, that's basically your Instagram handle. Is that
Yes,
right?
E30 Senna.
E30
Yes.
Senna.
Yeah, E30 Senna. Yeah.
Right. So, what type of E30 is this one here? that we're
It's
looking
a
at?
325.
325i?
Yes.
Nice. So, what made you want to get this car?
Because growing up, my dad had a 2002.
Okay.
But I had another friend back in El Salvador, because I'm from El Salvador, that had the same car, and I always dreamed to have that car when I was growing up.
So basically, like the poster that you had on the wall.
Exactly,
right?
yeah. So that's why, before buying this, I was planning to buy a E92 335, but I'm like, no, I want something more classic than something newer. And that's why, yeah.
As we're getting interrupted with the
Yeah.
F80 M3.
Then that's why
So sorry about the noise.
Yeah.
So we decided to get this.
Yeah, and then of course of the color is so 90s for me,
Yeah. So what exactly color
It's
is
a
this?
bronze beige.
Wow.
Yes.
It does. I mean, it looks great in the sun.
Yeah.
And has it been restored or retouched?
Yes, we painted like all the way down to bare metal 2 years ago.
Wow. So you
Yes.
picked it up roughly 2 years ago?
2 years ago. Yeah, I think,
Awesome.
it's already 2 years ago. Yeah, June was 2 years.
June was the birthday?
Yeah, yeah.
It looks gorgeous. So, where did you find this one?
LA.
LA?
Funny thing is, they,
So, hold on here. We have Kroger going. Alright, I think we can hear each other now.
yeah. Funny thing is, they bought this car brand new in the Concord BMW dealer.
That's crazy. So,
So
that made its way back home.
Yeah, I have, the window sticker and everything. Even, I guess, the seller, the guy that sold the car to the person. So, yeah, this car is from Concord
So,
BMW.
essentially a two-owner car now.
Exactly.
And you probably got lucky and it's a guy who really took care and loved the car.
Exactly. Yeah, definitely. So,
And-
all the way from LA. Yes.
Yeah, and given the age, you had to do a little bit of work. So why don't we
Yeah.
talk about that thing why don't we start from the front of the car? So what did
Yes.
we do here?
So I did this Miley's clear, lenses, the IS lip, and then the Euro trim.
So Euro
The-
bumper?
Yeah, the trim. 'Cause
Okay.
This one doesn't have, the
I'm trying to remember what the the North America one looks
see,
like.
like that.
Oh, with the
That's-
reflectors.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
reflectors.
It's essentially a reflector delete, but with the
Exactly.
bump, most of the bumper.
Exactly. That's only the European cars came with that trim, but of course now you can buy it online.
Yeah.
And all that. Wheels.
All right, so let's take a look.
Everybody knows those wheels that for E30s. I
Yeah,
did
classic.
I did the IS side skirts too.
Okay, let's look
Yeah.
down here. So
That's
down
why
here,
the car looks like it's an IS, but it's an I. Yeah.
a modified eye.
Exactly, modified.
All right, now as we move down, I guess we can take a look at the interior here.
Interior, the cluster was, rebuilt and everything by E30 dad.
Wow, yeah, I know. It looks like brand new.
Yeah, same. Almost brand new steering wheel MTEC 1.
Yep.
Short shifter from
the E36.
yeah.
The 5-speed gives it away.
Exactly, the 5-speed gives away. The car used to had a tan interior.
Yeah, so you can see that
You can
right
see-
down there. And
But
then,
then I was able to find, the complete set of, black vinyl and all that.
that's awesome. So did you do the swap yourself?
Yeah, I did.
Awesome.
I sweat a lot doing that.
I know.
It's
How much did you swear? I think is the key,
Oh,
right?
that's
A lot, right?
A lot, yeah. A lot of sweat and swear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Usually it's a lot of swear and a lot of sweat.
Yes, exactly.
But you got it in successfully.
And I'm really happy with, with the black vinyl versus, tan.
Yeah, it does look messy. So, again, his Instagram handle is right here. I'll put a link to that in the description of the video as well, so you can follow Roberto and his adventures with his car.
Yes, thank you.
And out back, we got basically a Euro-style bumper. So if you look
Yes.
over here at the other 325i next to us, it's got those side reflectors in here.
Yeah.
With the Euro, you sort of see the delete.
Euro
And-
trim, they call it. Yes.
Yeah, and then up top, what do we have?
IS spoiler.
Right.
Because this car once again is a 325i.
Yeah.
So it
And
didn't come with
you
any.
couldn't tell because you debadged it.
Exactly. Yes. Then instead of amber, we painted everything red.
Yeah. So you see red here. If you
Yeah.
look over at that 325, you see the amber, the US spec, basically.
This part was kind of hard to find it for a decent price. Now they go for about between $600 and $700.
Ouch.
So I'm happy that I was able to find it for a decent price. Like I want to say 3 years ago. Then the exhaust.
Yeah, so the exhaust on here. If we can actually see that. I don't know if you can see the lettering, but you can definitely see the exhaust here.
Yes.
Obviously, it must sound.
It sounds
fantastic.
Yeah, it sounds really good. I'm happy. A lot of people, like it. It's not too loud. It's just,
Right. So what else have we done to the car here that we can't see?
That you can see, suspension, ground control, coilovers.
Awesome.
All the maintenance, in the engine, starting from water pump, all the belts, a brand new clutch. I mean, car literally have no leaks.
Which is pretty amazing for a car this old.
And of course it's cost, time and money.
Mostly time, I'm sure.
Yes.
You probably did a lot of the work yourself for the most part.
Most part, yes. And then I have another friend that helps me a lot too with it.
That's awesome. Is he also a club member?
No, he's not.
We should make him join.
I'm gonna tell him. Yes.
All right. So with this car, other than this Cars and Coffee, is there anything else that you have done, or taken the car to, or enjoyed with the club?
Well, I went to Beamer Fest, a few months ago. Made the round trip with no issues at all.
That's great.
It was like 900 miles. You
had a little fun down there.
Yes,
a little bit before coming back.
Yes, round trip was about 900 miles, and I had no issues with the car. I love how the car was, driving.
And was it a hit at Beamer Fest? Did you a lot of people come up to you and go,
yes, especially because of the color, brown seat beige. You don't see a lot of them, with a new paint. That's why a lot of people, always comment,
Yeah, it's definitely a looker.
Yes.
So, do we have another BMW to go along with this one?
I have a 2001 325 E46 sedan that I recently bought, like not even a month, for my son that he barely turned 16.
Right.
So it's a stick shift. So he's gonna learn.
He's gonna learn the proper way.
Exactly.
And basically, you get to break it in.
Exactly.
Until he's ready
and
for the
I
car.
love it. I really love how the car drives. A lot.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right. So I think that about wraps it up. So Roberto, thanks for your time.
Well,
thanks for your membership.
Thank you for the video too.
All right.
All right,
So
guys.
catch you on Instagram.
See you
Put that link
around.
there. All right.
Thank you.